number of things that projects should be considering when they want to use apps for data collection is around the device itself. So you can use things like tablets or smartphones. When you're going out and choosing something, you need to consider the number of questions that you want to be presenting per page. So on the device, you can swap between pages to display a range of questions. And if you want to be displaying at one time a large number, say 5 to 7 questions per page, you might want to go with an actual tablet. But if that's not so much of a consideration, maybe phones will work for you. Another key tip that we're recommending is actually buying in country. So you can get the hardware maintained and repaired if necessary, and actually finding a device that supports the local language. Other things to consider when you're actually purchasing the device is purchase a couple of devices extra and pay for a little bit extra on good quality cases so that your devices aren't going to get too damaged when in the field. Another key consideration projects should be thinking about is internet connectivity. So if you know that the areas that you're working within have got very poor internet connectivity, consider buying a device with dual SIM card, because they can optimize two different networks. When you're wanting to be collecting GPS within your survey, it can be quite a powerful tool. Something to consider is actually the settings on the GPS. The 3 different settings are using GPS, mobile networks and Wi-Fi to triangulate your position. But if you're going for the higher setting, which will get a very accurate response, it'll actually take a little bit longer. So if you need something that's very accurate, put that in at the end of the survey itself. So you're not actually interrupting the survey process and the interaction you're having with the farmer by having it in the middle of your survey. We recommend when you start training your team in the field, train them on the paper-based survey so they understand the fundamentals of the research questions and the purpose of them, rather than getting caught too much up all the different features that the apps provide. So the top tips are around the size of the device, where you're going to buy the device, around using paper surveys as well, and internet connectivity.
To learn more about the top tips, visit agimpact.org/resources.